How to add follow button on Facebook page. So if you want to quickly go ahead and add a follow button to your Facebook page, here's how you're going to do it. First of all, you're going to make sure that you have a Facebook page, properly set it up with Meta. So I'm going to come over here, and as you can see, I have a lot of pages. I'm going to go to this one. Now, once we go to this page, you're obviously going to make sure to switch to the actual account at this page. Now, once you switch to the actual account, here you are. Now here, you can go to menu. You're going to come here. Now, once you come here, you're going to make sure that you're going to click on add action button. And once you click on add action button, you're going to click on edit buttons. And once you click on edit buttons, it's going to say, it's going to give you a follow button over here that you can add pretty easily. So these are the buttons you can add on your page. Okay, that's how you can add the follow page button. Okay, now it depends on regions as well on how you can add follow buttons. But yeah, this is where you can add buttons, and this is where you'll usually find the follow button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.